Hi, so this is question number 1 on the area and circumference of circles assignment. So hopefully I know some of you have already done this, but I'm just going to go through and walk through some of the problems for you. So first of all, on question 1, it says, suppose the diameter of a circle is 10. Enter the radius of the circle. So two things on this one. One, I know I've had people tell me that the answer is coming up wrong on this, but we'll just walk through what the right answer is, and then we won't worry about what it is saying the answer is after all. But so first of all, diameter of a circle, or when you want to find diameter of the circle, is when you have a circle and you have a straight line like this, the diameter is the full line across. So that whole thing is the diameter. The radius is half of that. So the radius is half of the diameter. So if I have 10, then if my diameter equals 10, then my radius is going to be half of that, which is 5. Again, I know I've had some people email me that they know the answer is 5, and I know the answer is 5, but when you're putting it in the assignment, it's telling it it's wrong. So just go ahead and do your best on that one, and now I know that it's saying that 5 is wrong on that one, but 5 should be the right answer. The next question, number 2, says find the circumference of the circle. And circumference is found when you go 2 times pi times the radius. So we know 2 is 2. Pi, we always know, is 3.14. And the radius is half of the diameter, remember. So radius equals, we'll just say diameter divided by 2. So if this one's diameter, because it's the whole length is 8, then the radius on this one would be 4. So I'm going to go 2 times 3.14 times 4. So if you do that on your calculator, it would be 2 times 3.14 times 4. And so that equals 25.12, or we'll just go with 25.1 for that one. So that is number 2. Number 3 also wants us to find the circumference. So remember, again, that formula is 2 times pi times the radius. So we'll have 2 times pi is 3.14 times the radius, and this time this one is the radius. Because remember, the radius is part of it. The diameter would be the whole thing. So it would be times 6.8. So if we do that in the calculator, 2 times 3.14 times 6.8 is 42.7. So this one would be the answer. The next one is find the circumference of the circle. So on this, again, the circumference is 2 times pi times the radius. So we have 2 times 3.14 times the radius, again on this one, is 7 times 7. So then we have 2 times 3.14 times 7 is 43.96. Just one second. So it's rounding up to 44 miles on that one. Next on this one, it says, given the circumference, find the diameter. So on this one, if I have this, the whole circumference is 31, so that's where I know 31.4 equals the 2 times the pi, which is 3.14, times the radius. So we want to figure that out first. So first of all, I'm going to take the 2 times the 3.14. So 2 times 3.14 is 6.28, and I still have the radius there, equals 31.4. So now I have those. Now I'm going to divide this by the 6.28, divide the 3.14, or 31.4, by 6.28. And that equals 5. But remember that that's the radius, and the radius is half of the diameter, so I want to times it by 2, which is 10. So that would be number 5. And the last one. An engineer is analyzing the circular cross-section of a cylindrical structure. The diameter of the circular cross-section is 15 feet. What is the circumference of the circular cross-section? Circle your best answer below. So we have, again, still same formula for circumference. C equals 2 times pi times the radius. So, and we know that the diameter is 15. So if I know the diameter is 15, the radius is half of that, so it would be 7.5. So I just need to go 2 times 3.14 times 7.5 to get the answer. Which I get 47.1, which is right there. And that is how you do this assignment. Please email me if you have any other questions. Again, I know that the first question is marking it wrong on the assignment, but the answer should be 5 on it. Thanks. Have a good day.